Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we'll show how to recall an email in Outlook. Step 1. Open the Sent Items folder, which contains all the emails you have sent previously. Double-click on the email you want to recall to open it in a new window. This allows you to review the email's contents and make any necessary changes or recall it entirely. Step 2. Within the email window, locate and click on the Actions tab at the top of the screen. This tab provides access to actions related to the email you're viewing from. The drop-down menu that appears after clicking on Actions, select Recall this message. This initiates the recall process for the email. Step 3. A pop-up window will appear, presenting you with recall options. You can choose to delete unread copies of the email or delete unread copies and replace them with a new message. Step 4. If you select to delete unread copies, the email will be removed from recipients' inboxes without a replacement. Step 5. After selecting your preferred recall option, click OK to confirm and initiate the recall process. Please note that the success of the recall process depends on factors such as recipient email settings and whether the email has been viewed. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.